Namaste. We will continue with the 57th sloka in chapter 2. Yes sarvatrānabhisnehas prāpya śubhāśubham nābhinandati dveṣṭi tasya prajñā pratiṣṭhitā yah sarvatra anabhisnehah tat prāpya śubhāśubham na abhinandati na dveṣṭi tasya prajñā pratiṣṭhitā. Arjuna had asked Bhagavan about the lakshanas of a brahmajnani. While he is in samadhi, when out of samadhi, how does he interact with this world? How does he react to situations? And how does he go about? So Bhagavan had started answering his questions. In samadhi, he is contented in himself, by himself. Atmanyeva atmana tushtaha. And when out of samadhi, how does he react to situation? Dukkeshu anudvignamanaha. He is not disturbed in sorrow. Sukheshu vigatasprihaha. And in happiness, he does not crave for more happiness. Vita raga bhaya krodhaha. He has transcended attachment, fear and anger. Such a person is a brahmajnani. Bhagavan further elaborates on him. Yah sarvatra anabhisnehah. Snehaha meaning attachment. Abhisnehaha attachment towards something. And usually negates the meaning. Anabhisnehaha who does not have attachment towards anything. Sarvatra everywhere. So someone who is not attached to anything at all in this world. Tat prāpya śubhāśubham nābhinandati na dveṣṭi. Shubham, auspicious things. Ashubham, inauspicious. Basically, good and bad. So a jnani is not elated when he gets something which is good and auspicious. Also, he does not have hatred when he gets something which is bad or inauspicious things. Basically, he does not have something called as like or dislike. We all ajnanis have likes and dislikes right from food, dress, house, education, work and relationships. And when we get something that we like, we are all elated. We become very happy. When we get something we dislike, we kind of hate it and we try to avoid it. In case we are unable to avoid, we proceed with a kind of heaviness in our hearts. But a brahmajnani does not have likes or dislikes. Why so? Because he sees the entire world as a manifestation of that one Brahma Tattva. If there is only one thing, how can that one thing like or dislike another thing? If I consider myself as one person, will I like my legs more and hands less? Will I hate my heart? Never so. Since a brahmajnani sees this world as one Brahma Tattva, he does not have any like or dislike. And he does not have attachment to anything that includes his own body. For he sees himself as different from the body. We'll continue again with the next sloka later. Dhanyavadaha.